In this video, we are going to show you how to check your remaining credits in Emergent AI. Now, if you have the subscription or even the free tier, if you created a small project that you didn't use the entirety of the 10 free credits that you get when you first start out, once you're done, you're gonna see this pop up over here that says 3.09 or however many is left over remaining, right? It's going to ask you to buy more. Of course, they're going to upsell you, right? But this is one way that you can see how much credits you still have, right? How you can still check your remaining credits. Another way is if you go on the upper right corner of your screen over here, click on your profile icon, you're going to see credit score here. So credit, and then this is going to be how much it's going to be, right? If you click on it, it's going to pop up another pop-up and you're going to see it bigger, right? That is how you check your remaining credits on Emergent AI. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.